Most people think becoming a millionaire is about luck. But what if I told you it's actually about habits? Yeah, the habits you build today will decide if you struggle or if you thrive. And the crazy part, most people don't even realize they're holding themselves back. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 millionaire habits that separate the winners from everyone else. The best part, you can start using these today. You ever meet someone who's always talking about what they're going to do? I'm going to start that business. I'm going to get in shape. I'm going to invest in real estate. But months go by, and guess what? Nothing changes. Millionaires don't wait. They don't overthink. They just move. They know success isn't about having all the answers. It's about figuring it out as you go. Think about it like learning how to swim. You don't sit there reading a 500-page book about swimming. You jump in the water and start kicking. Pick one thing you've been putting off and take the first step. Want to start a business? Buy the domain name. Want to get fit? Do 10 push-ups right now. This isn't about having all the answers. It's about building momentum. It's about proving to yourself that you're not just all talk. Because the more you act, the more you realize you're capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't let fear paralyze you. Don't let doubt creep in. The time for action is now. What's that one thing you've been putting off? What's that one dream you've been too scared to chase? I'm telling you right now, you have the power to change your life. But it starts with taking action. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now. Millionaires understand something most people ignore. Time is more valuable than money. You can always make more money, but you can't get back wasted time. But here's what's crazy. Most people spend their time on stuff that doesn't even matter. Scrolling on their phone, binge watching shows, doing things that someone else should be doing. Listen, if you're doing everything yourself, answering emails, running errands, trying to do everything perfectly, you're never going to grow. You're trading hours for dollars, and that's a recipe for burnout, not breakthrough. Here's the key. Identify what I call your dollar-an-hour activities. Write down 3 things you do daily that someone else could do for you. It could be answering emails, editing, videos, or even grocery shopping. Then start looking for ways to delegate those tasks. Hire a virtual assistant. Outsource to a freelancer. Free up your time and mental energy so you can focus on what really moves the needle in your life. Remember, every minute you spend on something that can be done by someone else is a minute you're stealing from your dream. Value your time and it will value you back. You know that old saying, don't talk to strangers? Yeah, forget that. If you want to build wealth, you got to build relationships. Period. Here's the truth. Every major opportunity in your life will come through a person, a mentor, a business partner, a customer, and an investor. And if you're scared to put yourself out there, you'll miss out on game-changing opportunities. Look, I used to be shy. I avoided networking events like the plague. But when I started pushing myself to just start conversation, my entire world changed. I met people who introduced me to opportunities I never would have found on my own. It's not about being salesy or having a hidden agenda. It's about connecting with other human beings, sharing your story, and being open to what comes your way. Next time you're out, whether it's a coffee shop, the gym, or a networking event, challenge yourself to talk to one new person. Just say, hey man, how's your day going? Simple. You never know where a single conversation might lead. That person might become your next client, your next mentor, or even your next best friend. The point is, you got to be in the game to win. Chapter 4, never stop learning. Here's something most people don't realize. Successful people never stop learning. They don't act like they know it all. They're constantly reading, taking courses, and surrounding themselves with people who push them to grow. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. And when you stop growing, you start falling behind. The world is changing faster than ever before. New technologies, new industries, new opportunities are emerging every single day. If you're not constantly expanding your knowledge and skill set, you're going to get left in the dust. Pick one book, podcast, or YouTube channel that teaches you something new and commit to learning for at least 20 minutes a day. It doesn't have to be a huge time commitment. Even small, consistent efforts can make a massive difference over time. If you're serious about making money, start studying business, marketing, and investing. That knowledge will change your life. Or Chapter 5. Ask better questions. Most people are taught that having the right answer is the most important thing. But the truth, the most successful people ask the best question. They understand that the quality of your questions determines the quality of your life. If it's all quality to see the joke, what is it? If you're asking yourself, why am I always broke? Or why can't I catch a break? You're going to get more of the same. Instead of saying, how do I make more money? Ask, how do I solve a real problem for people? How can I build something that adds value to others? Shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. Instead of trying to get something from the world, ask yourself how you can contribute. How can you make a difference? How can you leave your mark? Next time you're faced with a challenge, don't just jump to solutions. Take a step back and ask yourself, am I solving the right problem? The better the question, the better the result. Chapter 6. Embrace constructive criticism. Your ego is not your amigo. Nobody likes being told they're wrong. But if you want to grow, you need to learn how to take constructive criticism. Millionaires don't let their ego get in the way. They ask for feedback, listen, and make adjustments. That's how they improve faster than everyone else. They understand that feedback is a gift. It's an opportunity to see your blind spots and identify areas where you can improve. Now, I'm not talking about listening to every hater or critic out there. You need to surround yourself with people who want you to succeed, people who will give you honest and supportive feedback. Find someone you trust, a mentor, a coach, a successful friend, and ask them, what's one thing I could improve on? Don't get defensive. Don't make excuses. Just listen, take notes, and thank them for their honesty. Take the feedback and use it. That's how you get better, faster. Remember, your ego is not your amigo. It wants to keep you safe and comfortable. But growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Chapter 7. Start now, adjust later. Ready, fire, aim. If you're waiting for the perfect idea, the perfect time, the perfect conditions, you'll be waiting forever. Millionaires understand that success comes from trial and error. They take small bets, test things out, and adjust along the way. They don't let perfectionism paralyze them. They know that done is better than perfect. Instead of waiting for the perfect plan, take a small step today. If you want to start a business, launch a basic version of your product. If you want to invest, start with just $50. The key is to start now and adjust later. You'll learn more from taking action and making mistakes than you ever will from sitting on the sidelines. Remember, you don't need to have all the answers up front. You just need to be willing to start, to learn, and to adapt along the way. Outro, success rewards the bold. Listen, if you want to build wealth in 2024, you need to start leveraging AI in your business. It's a game changer. And I put together a free guide to show you exactly how to do it. Go download my ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing, right now at website address here. This guide is packed with actionable strategies, real-world examples, and step-by-step instructions to help you harness the power of AI and explode your business. Grow out big. Don't wait. Take action today. Success rewards the bold.